3 hours into our trip. We're going north, through the Everglades, Alligator Alley. We've already seen 2 gators, up to Lakeland to see the Sun and Fun Air Show. We're going to be filming some old warbirds, C-47 Dakotas.
My watch and shoes don't fit me anymore. My watch and shoes don't fit me anymore. Stay on your side of
Movie Memphis Belle, not the real one, I am told. She's undergoing a little bit of surgery.
The old girls need some tender loving care.
You know, before I ever took a flight on it, I figured, you know, we get up here, it's going to be creaking and cracking and just kind of sound like it's about to fall out of the sky, and it's the smoothest, most relaxing flight I've ever had.
Actually, no, they're not the Confederate, they are now the Commemorative Air Force guys. They used to be the Confederate Air Force, but it wasn't quite PC enough these days.
As part of the D-Day effort and the mission to bring these fantastic warbirds back to Normandy, 75th anniversary D-Day. Cannot wait. We're so stoked. We've got 18 airplanes coming from the United States to meet up with the European contingent. They're going to meet up in Duxford. They're going to stage the aircraft, and then we're going to cross the English Channel into Normandy, just as it was June 6th of 1944.
Okay, ladies, so tell me first of all, why are you dressed like this?
Well, we want to give a representation of the World War II waves and wax, and the reason that we do that is in order to bring attention to the cause of being able to honor our World War II and Korean veterans, and we support local honor flight hubs, sending our World War II and Korean veterans to see their memorials in DC as a gift to them and a thank you for their service.
They spent their whole lives that they just volunteered to go to war to, you know, fight for our freedom. And if we forget that, I mean, I kind of miss the whole point.
All right, that's really good. Thank you so much.
Easy. I mean, it was like flying from Dallas to Des Moines. I mean, we were incredibly well prepared. We'd spent almost a week in Connecticut training. We did survival training. We did weather briefings. We did all of that. And, you know, while we follow the same route in the same airplanes that they did 75 years ago, it in no way, shape, or form represents what they did. We had over 50,000 hours of flight experience in the cockpit. I will tell you this. After having spent 3 weeks now, or 2 weeks flying outside the United States, we're incredibly blessed with the freedoms we have in our flying in America. And I will go home with a redoubled passion to fight to maintain the aviation freedom that we have in America.